Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the official press presentation of Mr. International Philippines 2025. From the provinces to the capital, from kings to discipline, from ordinary lights to extraordinary stages, ready to inspire the next generation of Filipinos. This is Mr. International Philippines 2025. Meet the 2025 applicants, champions, and events visiting the Council Band. Now we welcome our reigning kings of 2024. Mr. International Philippines 2024, Amy Pablo. Mr. International Tourism 2024, Fred Jonathan Mendoza. Mr. Culture International Philippines 2024, Marco Rizalma. Mr. Welcome International Philippines 2024, Jake Macansala. Men's Tour Philippines 2025, Matt Pagnolia. Mr. National Universe Cebu 2024, Archie Nolan. Mr. National Universe Philippines 2024, Marcus Falcon. Mr. International Philippines 2024, Marvin Lamante.
With meaning, character, purpose, and heart. And to the 2025 candidates, this stage is your stepping stone. Use it to rise and keep on inspiring the next generation. Because the world is looking at you. Show them why you were born to lead. Thank you.
I'm known here not only as Mr. International Ferranera, but as another young person who dreams, who fights, who has learned that the true crown is not worn on the head, but in her. We live in a world where expectations, comparisons, and the fear of failure rob us something very valuable: faith in yourself. And for that reason, my message to young people is clear. Your value does not depend on likes or what others say you can and cannot achieve. Your value is in your story, in your effort, in your authenticity. During my journey, I learned that physical beauty can open doors, but what really leaves a mark is character, discipline, humility, and commitment to oneself and others. Being Mr. International Ferranera is not just a title, it's a responsibility. It's an opportunity to use my voice so that you who are watching this believe you are capable of breaking molds, challenging stereotypes, and building a future where you don't have to fight who you are to fit in. Empowerment doesn't mean telling you what to do. It reminds you that you already have what you need within you. Passion, talent, courage. The only thing that you are missing is deciding to believe in yourself. Thank you so much. Sarah.
Thank you, Salvador. Now, let's call on our Mr. International Philippines 2025 candidates. Limon Alguno Albay! Michael Francis Rusia, Palayan, Batangas.
Ivan Jimenez de Leon, Batangas. Dustin Punteros, Batangas Province. Ryan Sardizon, Ray Laguna. Marzo Martin, Bulacan Province. Ay, Uy Heroka, Cagayan Province.
JD Nahuwag, Talumpi!
Magay Amagan Junior, Cavite. Orscan Dawson, Philcom of USA.
Adrian Ayala, Isabela.
Gabriel Sundelo Paipon, Ilocos Sur. Francis Andre Puristo, Lalawigan ng Laguna. Simon Javier, Las Piñas. Jay Sabra, Legazpi City. San Paulo de la Cruz, City of Lucena. Luis Lorenzo Sica, Los Baños, Laguna.